The emergency of the Kebab skewer machine solves the problem of low efficiency, high cost, and easy to injure hands. This type of Kebab skewer machine uses a combination of pneumatic and electric method. Put the material into the mold plate and the machine will put the skewer directly into the meat kebab under the action of air pressure. The efficiency is very high. You can wear a skewer within 1.5 to 2 seconds. This machine can be used for making beef, sheep, chicken skewers, tofu skewers, kelp nut skewers, squid skewers, candy skewers, etc. The skewer that is worn out is uniform in size and clean. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us.